Bom dia, rivedia aqui. É dia 24 de julho aqui. Também me se trova, mas minha amada, a minha ama Giovanni, vai à escola Santo Ignatius College, e lá também a mami Chocolate. Tem filme de porcaria de circular, especialmente em media. Senhor Rudolfina, pretende com poucas palavras se entiende. Aí é o momento, que partimos em duas categorias. Você me quanto tem é assunto aqui, agora inspirar. Dori tem locutora agora na televisão. Papiando de Jeff Bezos. Mira, é wega com a hunga. Den media come. Lo compreendete di con. Nanta parte é porcaria ng babasawak de mi SANKA. Anto basanta mira mes KIKO ta pasando rin sa mundo gi. Eso lang ko to culpable ko sige. Nanta porco. Nanta besi politika ku porkeria oriki. Nanta base ku negawa. Wak e film kortiko gi. Anto tende. Bet espero ko wasang wow na labre ko wasang po comprende KIKO ta pasando. Pasó un buen día.
Boosters Bezos, Firmament Buster, The New Shepherd, Blue Blood Origins. Enter the stars, and welcome to the latest revelation in our nested reality. I Pet Goat 2, the animation you're seeing right now, was released in 2012, and in this scene, the heavens opened up upon the phallic booster. The question is, what is it boosting? I believe the answer lies in this scene, the blue blood. you can see the phallic imagery center screen, as well as in the upper right in the clouds, in the lower right hand corner in the mountains. And when I look at this scene, the word injection comes to mind, as the scene is bathed in blue and white. You see, Amazon has always been about the blue blood and the phallic imagery. Look at Michael Jordan and his blue eyes in this Alexa Amazon ad for the Super Bowl, and watch the Amazon symbol stretch across the bathtub from him to her beneath the water. So now that we know what the blue origin really means, we can also figure out what Apollo's arrow really means in the connection to all of this. What did Apollo's arrow really do? And is that the reason why the astronauts named the Apollo mission to the moon after Apollo? And is this why Bezos is following in the Apollo mission footsteps by naming his aircraft the New Shepard after one of the first men in space? I don't know about you, but I don't want a new shepherd. I want Yahuwah, Jesus Christ, as my shepherd. And I want to take the narrow gate home, not the wide gate. So the question becomes, who will be the first billionaire to crack the firmament? That's what this race is all about. Notice the top of the tower and the small crucifix. Now, there were rumors that Bezos tried to buy the Catholic Church and even donated $500 million recently to Catholic charity. Now, when it comes to cracking the firmament, all is revealed when you look at the coat of arms of Bezos' company, Blue Origin. The circle of the lens Earth below, sitting on time, trapped, and above the impenetrable shield of the heavens. The turtle shell is the hard firmament. That's why there are two turtles there. You see, the fallen ones wish to break through. That has always been their goal. You even see the serpent ray of the sun pointing north, different from all the other rays of the sun. What is their goal? To release the wandering stars from inside, to blast them through the firmament so they can make war on heaven for their sun god. Take care and be safe, you guys.
Sigi, kubos ang politika di Porkeria. Kubos ang film di Porkeria. Kubos ang familia ng di Porkeria. Paso mo dia.